Okay, I'll do the flip through of this journal. I think you've seen bits of it. Okay, and that's the back. That's like a bow on an envelope, which we'll see in a minute. And I've done this wraparound thing because of the wraparound closure thing. Because I I thought this was a little bit fragile, even though I've coated this with a couple of coats of acrylic wax to protect it. So I have done that. It's just like a belly band type thing. Yeah, that's that. And this is a file folder, which I've shown there. I haven't put anything in there yet, so just done one of those. Some of the backgrounds we've been doing lately, and I thought that all corresponded lovely, so I put that in there for now. It did get rather big, I will say, and that's just a envelope that I tied around with a little notebook inside. I won't get it all out, so, and that sits in the back there. Okay, and the tag comes out of the front, and then it's got that on the behind it. So, what's that? I will get my little brush because I don't think I've actually defluffed it all, so I shall remember to do that if I get that out. That's just a tag. Okay, I've backed everything. No, these are just printed onto card, those ones, but a lot of them are backed, and I haven't stamped on the back of any of those yet, but I most probably will do. This one I think's got just a little thing where you can, a little note, extra note there. Goes that way. Some little ones just to bring the yellow in from that, and that's one with a little bee. What's that? I've done some little clusters here, some very, very light stamping with gessoed pages, which I think is all we do. That's just the tag I put in there. It's a bit sort of eclectic, this one. There's all bits and pieces that were lying around, really, plus the leftovers from the spring mist kit that I've done with YVONNE. So these I've left as is, okay, because I really like the way they were looking. So, you know, I think it works with, you know, all this going on. So I've left them like that, and it is really, really nice coffee staining on that. So that's taken with wallpaper, the coffee stain on the wallpaper, and then leave it on it, and then it stains like that, which is great. I do that quite a lot, and I just think that worked. And then I've got Edith Holden here. That's the flip over the page where you saw, you know, there's a video on that. Okay, I'll put that there. And that's one of the circle embellishments I've done. And that is just, that's backed with lined paper there, just a normal postcard. I can't remember what kit that's from. I really can't. There, then that's a bag with one of these in. Which a lot of this you've already seen me do, because I've got videos on all these tags and things. And then that's the envelopes, which I've got a video on that. I've kept that as is. Sometimes I will put decoupage of a napkin on them and things like that, but I actually liked the way it was looking, so I've left it. And another one of those tags there, because of the yellow brought in. That was all the odd bits of the kit, wasn't it? So the stampings worked really nicely too. And saw me do these, and then this can flip out of there, if you know what I mean. Let's just say, just tuck that in there. as well. I've taken it off properly in the beginning. That's one of the Tim Holtz pockets stitched onto one part of the seed packet. That's done with washi tape, some wide washi tape, and yeah, that's an old bit of scrapbooking paper there, but it was like pinky, so it goes. And then just shrunk down some of the tags and put them in there. That was just a bit of a paper embellishment floating around, and recently done that, so there's a video on that. That's just a little envelope there. Let's put one of the clusters on the page there. So just a fold over tag at one of the pages. And this one here, which is a video on that one that I've just done. And I said this one was left over from the 12 by 12 project that I just started doing. And that was a little bit that was left, so I put that together on this envelope here. Okay, so that the envelope's all lined as well. I'm just going to make sure I don't catch that. Okay, like I did. There we go. And that's lined with music paper. Yep. And all embossed. That's a nice envelope. But so I usually decoupage them and do all things like that. But I thought, right, I'll do this time. I like to change things around a bit. And it's, like I said, it is quite chunky, but all 80% of all this will come out. So, you know, when you're writing a journal, when you have a journal like that, and you know it's very chunky, you can always take it all out, write in it, and then add your bits as you go along where you want them. And I think that's what would work for me. No, I know that everybody's not the same, but that's how I would like to do it. I've been there, been there. Just got to here, haven't we? Yeah. I just put a large ticket in there. Then this is just a piece of lavender, just on a tag. And that's another tag there. I think you see me do those. Oh, yeah. Add some glue on here, so there we go. To wait for it to dry. Yeah. And I popped another Edith Holden page in there. Some birds on and some butterflies. There's that one there. I wanted to use this out of the book page I had, so I cut it out and used it like that. That was one of the freebie tickets. That's on the Facebook group. And another little notebook paper clip, and that's the other side of seed packet. And I just liked the colour of them, and I think they look really cool. And it's a nice tone. What's that? It's one of the journaling cards, but I just cut it down a little bit. I think because the journal's narrower, I felt as though I needed to cut the tags down a little bit. Yeah, and I've done the same on that one as well. It wasn't too wide, but I just felt they just didn't look right. Yeah, and then again, you've got another one of these here, which I really like. And then that I just thought looked nice. That's from one of the tag kits. And then that ticket there. So, see it, and a little cluster at the bottom. There, that's from one of my ephemera kits, I think. Nice. That's another one of my postcards. To the side of Edith Holden. Another journaling card there. Then one of these. I think I did show these because these come about doing something else, wasn't it? And then I made that from something. Oh, I wanted the circles. That was right. Yeah, that was. I thought, well, how did I do that again? That was from those. And I cut 2 circles out, and then I made that from it. So, and then that's I cut envelope type thing. With a journaling card in. Okay. Okay, and then here's the back pocket, and what have I put in there? I've done that because sometimes these look quite nice as like a pocket like that. So I've popped that in there. Another ticket. I've actually popped a blessing bag, a small one, another ticket, some ephemera, but it's not backed because I thought, well, again, that could be pockets or it could be backed and done something with. So just and a nice avocado dyed page there. It's a nice big pocket. So I just thought they all look nice together in there. There we go. And the back. Yep. So worked out really well. Nice and chunky. And then that goes around. And we tie it up. Okay. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that one. That was another spring journal done. I've been enjoying these. I'm going, what am I doing next? Oh, this one. Yeah, so it's got birds and everything in, so I'm doing this one. I think I've got one video so far on this, so it's just an old, well, you saw me do that, so I thought I'd make use of that. So you can see how narrow they are until I start filling them, can't you? Bits and pieces. So, yep. That's that one. Okay then, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.